We are trying more snacks. Okay, we'll start with the Bien croissant. The croissant. Chocolat.
I'm not eating that. They remind me from the ones from the gas station.
They do sell these at the gas station.
Ugh.
2, 1.
No, not taste like chocolate.
Yes, it does. The bread is stiff. I give that like a 4.
2.
Next.
Ooh, where are the chips?
I don't know. Okay, let's try this Lion Nestle bar. I don't know what's in it, but it looks like a bunch. It looks like, oh, it's a Candy Crush kind of bar.
Can I eat it first? I just want to eat something.
No. All right, well, go ahead. I had to buy it.
Just sick.
It's chocolate, but something in it tastes not chocolate. It's good.
It's a wafer. Tastes like
Another wafer thing.
Oh, no.
Princessa.
Princessa.
The Lion bar came from the UK. It's a sponge cake covered with chocolate and filled with banana. I was like, something in there tastes not chocolate. Okay.
And this is from
Princessa is coconut. Wafer layer with coconut cream and covered with white chocolate.
From Poland.
From Poland.
It's kind of like sour at the end.
That's not bad for coconut.
It's not that bad.
I give it a 10.
The coconut's not strong. It's just a wafer. I mean, I give it like a 5.
I give it a 10.
This is whatever that is. Okay, this is from Japan. These are some kind of chocolate, strawberry chocolate bites shaped with Sanrio characters. I don't know what Sanrio.
Oh my gosh, it's Hello Kitty and Friends.
Okay,
You're
3,
a true friend.
2, 1.
Strawberry parts are really good. 9.
We're gonna do these crackers.
Cheez-Its.
No, we're gonna do these. All right, these are crackers. They're bacon habanero. I don't know what it is about the foreign stuff, but they love a meat flavored cracker. These are from the Ukraine. They're habanero bacon flavor crackers. That's it. 4. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Spicy! It tastes like nothing.
It tastes like nothing and then spice.
Oh.
I don't get bacon from this at all. That was part 3. I won't wait 500 years before I do the final part. I promise.